Hey there, are you struggling with connectivity issues on your TP-Link device? If you're looking for solutions on how to fix TP-Link not connecting to the internet, you're in the right place. TP-Link routers are known for their reliability, but like any technology, they can encounter issues. Whether you're dealing with dropped connections or can't get online at all, this guide will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve these problems. Step 1. Check physical connections. First things first, let's ensure all physical connections are secure. Make sure your TP-Link router is properly connected to the modem. Check that both ends of the Ethernet cable are tightly plugged in. Inspect the power cord to ensure it's firmly connected to both the router and the power outlet. It might seem trivial, but a loose connection can often be the root cause of internet issues. Step 2. Restart your router. A simple yet effective step when encountering internet issues is to restart your router. To do this, unplug your router from the power source and wait for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. Give it a minute or two to reboot and reconnect to the internet. Oftentimes, a restart can resolve temporary glitches that affect connectivity. Step 3. Check the indicator lights. Next, observe the indicator lights on your TP-Link router. They can offer valuable clues about the device's current status. If the internet light is red or off, there may be an issue with your ISP or the connection from your router to the modem. Green, stable lights usually indicate a healthy connection. For specific meanings, refer to your router's user manual to understand what each light represents. Step 4. Verify your internet setting. Ensure that your network settings are correctly configured. Access your TP-Link router's configuration page by typing its IP address into your web browser. Typically, this is something like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. From here, verify your internet settings such as the WAN or DNS configuration. Match those provided by your ISP. Be careful not to change any settings unless you're sure. Be sure not to change any settings unless you're sure about what needs to be adjusted. Step 5. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to connectivity issues and security vulnerabilities. Check if there's a firmware update available for your TP-Link router. You can do this by accessing the router's interface and navigating to the firmware update section. Follow the prompts to install any available updates and make sure to restart your router after the update process is complete. Step 6. Reset to factory setting. If all else fails and your TP-Link router still isn't connecting to the internet, consider resetting the device to factory settings. This process will erase all custom settings, so it's a last resort option. Press and hold the reset button on the router for about 10 seconds. Once completed, you will need to set up your network configurations from scratch, including reconnecting all your devices. Dealing with internet connectivity issues can be frustrating, but knowing how to fix TP-Link not connecting to the internet empowers you to tackle these challenges head-on. From checking connections and restarting your router to verifying settings and updating firmware, these steps are designed to resolve most common issues. Always remember to prioritize a secure setup by using strong passwords and keeping your firmware up to date. By following this guide, you can restore your TP-Link device to full functionality and enjoy uninterrupted internet access.